Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Slide open locking mechanism and remove battery. Then unscrew and remove hard drive. Now unscrew and remove DVD drive. Unscrew then remove access door. Then disconnect antennas . Now unscrew and remove heatsink. Now unscrew bottom base. Pry apart power button cover. Then disconnect cable. Now unscrew and disconnect keyboard. Now unscrew and disconnect display assembly. Now unscrew and remove bezel. Now unscrew and turn over screen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.